Okay, so it took ClipGrab about 15 minutes to convert my 30-minute video into a video that it saved to my desktop on my computer. So let's take a look at that video on my desktop. I'm just going to go ahead and minimize. You can see here this was it, image 3375, the original. That was the one that I just downloaded. I'm going to minimize this image, and I'm going to minimize this too. And I'm going to come over here, and right here on my desktop, I see something that says Haley and Whitney LOL. This MP4, that is what I just had downloaded from ClipGrab. So ClipGrab took that video and basically it compressed it, it grabbed it off of YouTube, and it added it to my desktop. So now I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to go ahead and make it big. Let's see, make sure we can see. I'm going to open it here in our screen for the screencast so that we can see it, because there's a couple of things I want to show you on this video. Okay, let's see if I can move there we go. All right, so this is the video. Now, when I play it...
Hey guys, this is Whitney, and I'm with my sister Haley, and today we're going to be opening a LOL surprise underwraps. It looks like this.
It has definitely affected the quality of the video. The pixelation is not nearly as good as it was originally. So that's just kind of what we have to live with. Because we're condensing these videos, we're going to lose some of that definition, and we're kind of used to HD and really great definition in our videos these days. But for this project, that doesn't matter. So it's okay. The fact that the imagery is not going to be as good is not important. What's important is that they can see you doing the lesson. So don't worry about the pixelation and the fact that it's not as clear. Now I'm going to come up here on my Mac. You can see up here where it says Window. I'm going to click on Window, and I'm going to say Show Movie Inspector, because what I want to see is how much memory is this going to take. You can see here it says data size 84.6 megabytes. It went from like 1.8 gigabytes to 84.6 megabytes, which you need to be under 250 megabytes, so it's well under that limit that we need. And now I'm going to turn that off and bring this down. So now it's time I can take this video, which is saved on my desktop, and I can upload it to Foliotek, because this video easily falls within that small frame, that 250 megabytes or less that I need. So I would just minimize this video and head over to Foliotek. I'm going to pull back up my screen. So if I open up, let's see, I'm actually going to open up a new window and go to Canvas and show you what Foliotek's going to look like when you first log in. So you are 5420. It doesn't matter what class you're in, though. You can get to Foliotek from any class that you're in. So I'm going to click on Foliotek over here. Foliotek is going to open in the presentation side. What you want, though, is the assessment side. The presentation side is kind of the pretty side where you can make portfolios, but the assessment side is where we're containing all of the information that you're using for these TEA documents. So you can see my name up here and see where it says assessment. I'm just going to click there, and it's going to take me over to the assessment side. Now for you, mine looks different than yours. You can see I have to review these formal observations, and I'm getting student names. For you, you should get a list of courses. So you're just going to click on the appropriate course. For this one, it's 5420. Sometimes 5405 also does this assessment. And remember, you're going to attach this under formal observation. So when you get to your screen, and let me just see, I'll just look up, let's say Heather Wells, for example. I'll just show you where you would go. So you're going to pull up your class, and then yours is going to be specialized just for you. For Info 5405, you would go to Formal Observation here. For Info 5420, you would go to Formal Observation here. And then you could upload your video right here. So that's where you need to go. Remember, not on the presentation side of FolioTech. If I click up here, it's going to take me back to the presentation side. I want to be on the assessment side of FolioTech. All right, and that basically is how to use ClipGrab. Thanks, bye.